set. Yes, we are ready for Bhim's birthday. Let's have a grand birthday party this time. But where are the kids? I have sent them to play outside. You remember what they did the last few birthdays? Yes, these naughty kids always messed up our parties.
Remember that time when... The kids sure enjoyed the cake.
Where is the birthday boy? I hope this time we are going to have the best birthday party for the kids.
This time, yes. Let's begin the party.
Also play, yeah, yeah, yeah. You need DJ loud, 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 not hazy. Party with Bhim all day long, it's Bhim's birthday, yeah.
Say happy birthday, go. Sing happy birthday, happy birthday, Bhim. Sure. Say happy birthday, go. Sing happy birthday, happy birthday, Bhim.
Stay alert!
Go back. My shadow also.
What happened? What were those strange sounds?
Bhim, look! Whatever it is scared of mirrors.
at the top of the mountain. Ghosts live there. So come on, guys, let's find out. The rain is not going to stop me. I'm sure some people will think that this rain and storm is because of the same ghosts. But no storm can stop me today from getting to the bottom of this mystery. Nothing can stop me today. Huh? Oh, ghosts, where are you?
Right behind you. Hello. Have you ever come across twin ghosts?
When there are no ghosts, there cannot be any twin ghosts.
We will turn him into a little cat.
Listen, please. How about putting me down instead? Good idea. No, I don't want to be a ghost.
I said ghost.
And I said cat.
Ghost.
Cat.
Ghost.
Cat.
Ghost.
Don't be disheartened. We'll find a solution for this. To turn you back into a human, all we need from you is the address of that castle.
Yes.
A new style to trouble pesky children.
Bhim Laddu!
Both of you hide quickly.
Saw that? You kept talking and the children ran away.
I was just trying to swat a fly.
Let's turn him into a ghost like us.
Not at all, Kali. We will change him into a monkey.
I said ghost.
A monkey will be funnier to play with.
Ghost.
Monkey!
What's happening to me? I am a ghost.
To keep fighting with each other, let's make them fight more so that we can win against them one by one.
So tell me, which of you is better at everything?
I am.
No, I am. You are my twin, and that's why I tolerate you. Otherwise,
Otherwise? Huh? Otherwise what? Go away from here or I won't spare you.
yeah, right.
Now for step 2. You remember how much the mirror scared the ghost cat?
Yes, after becoming a ghost, even I'm feeling scared of mirrors, Chutki. If a ghost touches one, then it will get trapped inside it.
We need a mirror as big as a wall. In the dark, it will seem like a twin is visible in the mirror.
I can't touch any mirror, but I can pick up Dholu Bolu anytime.
Yes, I know that you're a bot. You don't have any new ideas. That's why you imitate me. Huh? Okay, so get ready for a clash. A mirror? I am Kale, my brother.
Lal, my brother.
First, you will have to do what we tell you to.
Yes, tell me.
1. Turn the ghost cat back into a human.
Oh, okay.
Yay!
2. Turn the ghost monkey back into Kalia now.
Oh, okay.
One more condition, that you two ghost brothers never trouble people again.
We promise. Brother.
My dear brother.
Once we cross those mountains, we reach the border of our Iga province.
The mountain wind is quite chilly.
Shh!
Listen to that.
What's the matter, Bhim?
Sounds like some small animal is crying.
A fawn of a Sitka deer.
Let's go.
Oh no! Poor thing got stuck in vines.
Just hold on, Chutki.
Why, Bheem?
Something is not right. Looks as if someone is out there.
Huh? A wild bear.
Dare you even think of touching her?
Huh?
Sam, we need to attack him from two sides. Or else it may injure either one of us. Sam, those wild vines. We can tie him up with those. Now we just need to distract him.
Let me do that. Hey, you fatso, come here.
Wow. Bholu, our boss is not as coward as we think.
Yes, he is calling the bear towards himself.
Look over here. These two are calling you back. It's not so scary, you see.
Yes, no wonder you pushed us ahead and went and hid behind the bushes yourself.
Bheem, I don't want all of you to travel under such stress anymore. I know there's a cave nearby. We can spend the rest of the night there.